Mga kapatid, samahan natin sina Amer J. at Maria Cristina na ngayon ay narito sa harapan ng Diyos at inang simbahan at nais po nilang pag-isahin, pagbuklurin ang kanilang buhay, ang kanilang pagmamahalan. Ating hilingin sa pong may kapal na nawa ang kanilang pagsasama ay magiging larawan ng pag-ibig ni Kristo sa inang simbahan. Sa isang espesyal na araw na ito na inilaan ng Diyos sa inyong dalawa. Pagkatapos ng ilang taon ng inyong pagsasama, ito kayo sa harapan ng Panginoon, sa harapan ng altar. Amer at Chris, ang dahilan kung bakit kayo naririto sa pagdiriwang na ito ng sakramento ng kasal, walang iba kundi pag-ibig. Sa isang misteryosong paraan, kayo ay pinag-isa kayo ng Diyos, ipinunla ang butil ng pag-ibig sa inyong mga puso. Kaya narito kayo ngayon sa kanyang harapan. Kaya ang pag-ibig na ito ay hindi basta lamang damdamin, kundi isang desisyon na gagawin natin. Kasi ito yung ginawa ng Diyos. God decided to love us in spite of everything na mga nagawa nating kakulangan o kapintasan natin, kakulangan natin, pagmamalabis natin. Sa kabila ng ating mga pagkakasala, ang Diyos ay patuloy na nagmamahal sa atin. At dito kayo tinatawag Amer at Chris. Wala namang perpektong relasyon dahil walang perpektong tao. Lagi tayo may pagkukulang, may pagkakasala, nagkakamali, may kalabisan. Ngunit kung ang pag-ibig ninyo sa isa't isa ay katulad ng pag-ibig ni Kristo, isang agaping klase ng pag-ibig. Hindi nyo titingnan, hindi nyo isipin ang lahat na kakulangan, kapintasan o kasalanan na nagawa ninyo sa isa't isa. Dahil you still continue to decide to love one another. Dahil yan ang utos ng ating Panginoon. Nung sinabi niya, magmahalan kayo katulad ng pagmamahal ko sa inyo. So, yun ang inyong pagsisikapan. Na sa bawat araw ng inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa, you become a better person for one another. So, Amir at Chris, hayaan yung batiin ko kayo sa salitang Latin. Ad multos annios. Nawa, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos sa lahat ng sandali o sa lahat ng araw ng inyong buhay bilang mag-asawa.
This window, everything seems new. The world's not changing, it's just my view. Spent so much time looking for what I thought was right for me, but it's only when I gave up that I got what I really need. And I know it's true.
Dear babes, 27 years ago, we met and you captured my heart by being exactly who you are. The sweetest and most loving person I have ever known. Then, 2 years after, or 25 years ago, we decided to start our own family and got married in a civil wedding ceremony. We had Kobe and Neil to complete our little family. Today, 25 years later, it is our church wedding. We may have our ups and downs like most marriages do, Some people tried very hard to break us apart, but together, you and I, plus our Kobe and Neil, we are unbreakable. And love will always prevail. I promise the rest of my days I'll spend by your side to laugh with you and to cry with you, to believe in you and support you. In poverty, I promise to do everything to make our love rich, and in wealth, to never let our love grow poor. Together, we are better than we could ever hope to be alone. And today, I give you my love and my trust. You, plus Kobe and Neil, will always be the best part of my day. I love you, asawa ko.
And all the things I thought I knew, everything I thought was true, changed the day my eyes found you. I was missing the perfect part of me that I really need. All I've known is you because I found you.
Chris, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Amer na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Amir, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Chris na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Nakahanda ba kayong gumanap sa inyong pananagutan sa simbahan at sa bayan na umaasang inyong arugain ang mga supling na ipagkakaloob ng pong may kapal upang sila inyong palakihin bilang mabubuting mamayang Kristiyano?
Opo.
Opo, Padre.
Minamahal kong Amir at Chris, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, pagdaupin ninyo ang inyong mga palad at ipahayag ninyo ang mitiing magtipan sa banal na sakramento ng kasal. Chris, sumasangayon ka ba na maging asawa si Amir na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso bang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niyang panagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo.
Amir, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Chris na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at ang alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Padre.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niyang panagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Padre. Ama namin, kami po ay inyong loobin, magkaisa ng kalooban at damdamin. Mula ngayon, sa gingawan at kahirapan, sa karamdaman at kalusugan, sa lahat ng araw ng aming buhay. Dave, kailan may hindi kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito, na siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Babes, kailan may hindi kita pagtataksilan, isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito, na siyang sanla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Ay, kailan may hindi kita pababayaan. Inilalagak ko sa iyo itong mga aras, tanda ng aking pagpahalaga at pagkalinga sa kapakanan mo at ng ating mga anak. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Tinatanggap ko ito at nangangako akong magiging iyong katuwang sa wastong paggamit at pangangasiwa ng ating kabuhayan.
When the road is long, when you're feeling low, with every breath, don't forget how far you've come. When it's late at night, when you're all alone, I'll lift you up, I could be your helium. Your helium. I could be your helium.
So hi everyone. For those of you who don't know me, I'm the not so little sister of the very beautiful bride. Thank you all for coming. So ano nga ba ang story sa likod ng mga smile na yan? So basta ako, I always adored them as a couple. Even before, parang I think they were really made for each other. I remember the time when you guys were starting to build your family. Di ba, I have been always there na nakikisali, nakikigulo sa inyo. So when Jmot and Chochot came, sorry, tawag ko sa kanila, sorry. The Tata is one of the happiest too. So, from then on, lagi na akong nakasabit sa family nila until the time came when they had to leave na for US. So, it was a major heartbreak for me. Pero now, don't. Pero now, quiet. Pero now, seeing what your family achieved and what you guys became, I'm just really thankful to God. Thankful because He blessed your family. I know you guys deserved everything you have right now. And all I can wish for now is that may you continue to have the love, health, and wealth, but most importantly, may you have all the time to enjoy them all. So bago pa tuluyang maiyak ito, tapusin na natin. Congratulations to the both of you. I love you both so much.
First off, thank you for coming to my parents' wedding, and congratulations, Mami and Daddy. So, I'm gonna start off with a story. My favorite memory of Mami and Daddy, I was doing homework. I was doing a project. It was one of my finals, and you two came to annoy me. So I started listening to music. I started playing it. And I was doing my assignment. And when I turned around, you and Daddy were dancing together. This is my favorite memory because you look so happy and it made me happy. Thank you, Mom and Daddy. Because without the support you give me, I wouldn't be the person I am today. You're the best parents I could ask for, and I love both of you so much. Good evening, everyone. Sinabi na nila lahat na gusto ko sabihin eh. Kaya hindi ko lang kung ano sasabihin ko. Pero gusto ko lang i-start with congratulations to my mom and dad. They've been together for 25 years. Ang tagal nun, no? Umiyak talaga. May, gusto ko lang sabihin na thank you for all your support. Thank you for always being there for me. And thank you for all your non-stop love. I love you both just as much. Thank you.
be your helium. Your helium. I could be your helium. What fortune lies beyond the stars? Those dazzling heights too fast to climb. I got so high to fall so far, but I found heaven as love swept low. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life when I laid it down. My wood falling, spirit soaring. I touched the sky when my knees hit the
Lives, nagbisa tayo sa birthday ni Melissa at sa pusoy dos ni Nanay. Remember? Eto tayo ngayon, natapos sa pangalawang kasalan sa napakagandang simbahan. Kasama at kapiling pa natin ang mga taong malalapit at minamahal natin. At siguradong meron pa tong pangatlo. Sa 50th na lang natin pagplanuhan at pag-usapan. Lives, inibig na kita kahapon at iniibig pa rin kita ngayon at lalo kitang iibigin sa lahat ng bukas. Lindulin at bagyuin man tayo ng mga pagsubok. Alam kong kaya natin yan at sisiw lang sa iyo yan. Basta kapit at dasal lang ng dasal sa Diyos. Maraming salamat sa Diyos. Sa iyo, aking asawa. At sa mga anak nating sila Kobe at Neil. Sa mga magulang at mga kapatid natin. Alam mong nabubuhay ako dahil sa inyo. I love you so much.
My soul is on the wings of forever. Finally here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Sweep me up in your love again. And my soul is on the wings of forever. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life when I laid it down. Upward falling, spirit soaring. I touch the sky with me sit there. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life when I laid it down. Upward falling, spirit soaring. I touch the sky with me sit there. Find me here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again. And my soul rests on the wings of forever. Upward falling, spirit soaring. I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground. Take a walk in the park, holding hands in the dark. Steal a kiss
and I could tell yours was racing too. We fell at once and never looked back.